Welcome to my Management Studies YouTube channel. I am Dr. Durairaj Rajan, faculty in Business Administration. We are learning principles of management subject. From this subject, in our last video, we learned a definition of management after we understood few basic concepts such as what is business, its objectives, meaning of the term organization. In our today lesson, we are going to learn two important concepts, efficiency and effectiveness, and how these two concepts are contributing to the achievement of organization goals. Let us look at this case from our family life. Let us take a middle class housewife who has 4 kids and runs her family with her husband's monthly income. If she runs one full month successfully by feeding entire family members and looking after all other expenses, we can call her as both efficient and effective manager. In this case, how she runs one full month successfully is the goal of the family, that is effectiveness. How she utilized the resources, that is her husband's monthly income, productively to achieve that goal is efficiency. So efficiency is nothing but utilization of resources as productive as possible by doing the things right. Effectiveness is achievement of organization goal by doing the right things. My friends, there is a strong relationship between these two terms, efficiency and effectiveness. Let us take two important goals of the organization, customer satisfaction and profit attainment. To achieve these goals, how these two concepts should be utilized. If organization goal is inappropriate, but resource is utilized productively, here organization cannot gain profit. Organization goal is appropriate, but manager does not know how to utilize the resources productively. Here, customer cannot be satisfied by offering the quality product. The organization goal is inappropriate. Resources also are not utilized productively. In this case, organization neither gain profit nor satisfy the customer. Organization goal is appropriate. Resources also are utilized productively. Here, organization can gain profit and also satisfy the customer by providing quality products. If we take few organizations such as Nike, shoe production company, Apple iPhone, how these companies are always running their business profitably and successfully. Because their management system is both efficient and effective. Apple iPhone has outsourced its production unit to China. Nike Shoe Company has established its manufacturing unit in Vietnam and Indonesia in order to utilize the cheap manpower resources as productive as possible. That is why they run their business very profitably and successfully. If you take few educational institutions which run their institution with few building infrastructure, but they achieve high profit because they follow shift system, 2 shift, 3 shift, in order to utilize their resources productively. So my friends, to run the organization successfully, a manager must know how to establish an appropriate organization goal, and also he should know how to utilize the resources very productively. Then only the organization goal can be achieved. Thank you for watching this today lesson. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more lessons in future. Thank you.